Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about building a PHP project. A fundamental understanding of the PHP programming language is critical before embarking on a PHP project. PHP is a server-side scripting language primarily utilized in web development to generate dynamic web pages and applications. For example, PHP can be employed to create a login system on a website or fetch data from a database to display on a web page. By grasping the basics of PHP, developers can effectively harness its capabilities to enhance web functionality and interactivity. To initiate PHP project development, establish a suitable development environment. Utilize local servers such as XAMPP or WAMP for testing PHP scripts. Additionally, install a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text for effective PHP code creation. This setup ensures seamless execution of PHP projects by providing a platform to write, test, and debug code efficiently. To create a PHP file, start by making a new file with a .php extension. Inside this file, encapsulate your PHP code within PHP tags. For instance, you can create a file named hello.php and write the PHP code echo hello world. This code will output hello world when the hello.php file is executed. PHP functions are modular units of code designed to execute a particular operation. They can be user-defined or predefined in PHP. Custom functions enable users to encapsulate frequently used code segments, enhancing maintainability and reusability. Conversely, built-in PHP functions are core features that aid in various tasks like arithmetic calculations, string manipulation, and more. For instance, consider a custom function defined as addNumbers num1 num2 that adds two specified numbers. When addNumbers53 is invoked, the function returns the sum of 5 and 3, outputting 8. This showcases the practicality and utility of PHP functions in streamlining code implementation and enabling smoother development workflows. PHP arrays are versatile data structures capable of storing multiple values. Three common types include indexed, associative, and multidimensional arrays. An indexed array, like the one holding colors, uses numeric keys to access elements. In PHP, indexed arrays start from 0. For instance, accessing colors 1 in the example would retrieve green from the array, as it is at index 1. This simplicity and flexibility make PHP arrays invaluable for managing various types of data efficiently in web development and programming projects. Building a PHP project is like constructing a building from the ground up. Just like how a building needs a solid foundation, a PHP project requires proper planning and organization before any coding can begin. The architecture of the building determines its layout and structure. Similarly, in PHP project, the project design and architecture play a crucial role in its development. Each floor of the building corresponds to a different aspect of the project, such as data handling, user interface design, and server-side programming in a PHP project. The building's plumbing and electrical systems are like the databases and server configurations in a PHP project. They are essential for the project to function properly. Just as a building needs regular maintenance to stay in good condition, a PHP project requires continuous bug fixes to ensure it runs smoothly. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code above illustrates the process of constructing a PHP project using an analogy of building a physical structure. The Project Blueprint class serves as the blueprint for our PHP project, with properties like the project name and size. The constructor initializes the project's name and size. The Start Project method initiates the project construction process, simulating steps such as planning, designing, building, testing, and maintenance. Private methods like Plan Project, Design Project, Build Project, Test Project, and Maintain Project represent specific stages in the PHP project development lifecycle. When the script is executed, it creates an instance of Project Blueprint for a project named Analog Building with a size of large. Then the Start Project method is called, demonstrating the simulated construction of a PHP project named Analog Building. In a real-world scenario, this code could be beneficial for developers working on large-scale PHP projects to understand and visualize the systematic process involved in developing a PHP application. This analogy provides a clear, descriptive narrative of how various phases of a PHP project development lifecycle can be related to constructing a physical building. Building a PHP project can be likened to constructing a building due to the similar staged processes involved. Just as a construction project requires planning, designing, building, testing, and maintenance, developing a PHP project follows a similar journey to ensure a successful outcome. This analogy highlights the structured approach needed in both fields to achieve desired results. From laying the foundation in planning to maintaining the final structure, each step in the PHP project mirrors the building process, emphasizing the importance of a well-thought-out strategy and meticulous execution. Across the globe, various industries and sectors adopt PHP projects for diverse applications, ranging from e-commerce platforms to content management systems. The analogy of building a PHP project resonates universally, showcasing the fundamental steps and considerations essential in developing robust and scalable PHP applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.